that can't be good.
Heavy rainfall continued to affect the region into the weekend. Residents in Northwest El Paso saw these terrible scenes. Peoples of the region say they have seen the flood levels rising and water is reaching their knees and seeping into businesses. The National Weather Service says Northwest El Paso County is under a flash flood warning, as more rainfall is expected over the next couple of hours on Friday night. Drivers are advised not to drive in areas that appear to be flooded or experiencing ponding. In central Texas, a wave of storms poured several inches of rain on the Austin area Sunday, creating flooding, some leaks and make the road conditions dangerous for driving. A flash flood warning was in effect for central Travis County until 5:15 p.m. Sunday, after more than 4 inches of rain fell in an hour. Inches of rain that fell quickly in the Austin metro area on Sunday prompted leaks and even flooding inside areas of the Texas capital. Apocalypse in Omaha. Thousands of people are trapped in a flash flood. Nebraska, USA. Motorists were trapped in their cars, people reportedly were swimming in elevators, and 14,000 homes lost power after a severe thunderstorm in Omaha on Saturday. Hail as large as coins and torrential rain fell on Omaha, turning streets into torrents and wiping out power for thousands of city residents. The flash flooding submerged cars, forcing drivers to abandon them to seek safety, tore up paving on roads, and left 14,000 homes without power for hours on Saturday night in the Nebraska city.